Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. So it's time for work, it's time for play. So it sings throughout the day. So it sings throughout the day. So it sings throughout the day. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello children. Welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. So today we will learn about letter T. So let's start. This is an uppercase T. What is this, Monami? This is an uppercase T. And this is a lowercase t. What is this, Monami? This is a lowercase t. As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter T is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us see what happens in Ted's treehouse. There was a boy named Ted. He had a little tree house in his garden. There he had a toy truck, a toy train, a teddy bear and lots of other toys. His favorite pastime is to play tambourine and tap his toes to the rhythm. One day, his mother alerted him about the tornado and told him not to play in the treehouse. But he did not listen to his mother and quietly went to play. Then came the furious tornado. The window panes were rattling loudly and the trees swayed furiously. Ted was scared and he started shouting for help. Uncle Tom saw him from the rooftop room and rushed to help. Like a Superman, he managed to pull Ted out from the treehouse. Ted and his mother thanked Uncle Tom and invited him for evening tea. Ted said sorry to his mother and promised to be an obedient boy. Yes, that is the sound of letter T. So now let us sing about the sound of letter T. T is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the T sound. Let us say the T sound. As in tree, as in teapot, as in tricycle. As in tree, as in teapot, as in tricycle. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. T is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the T sound. Let us see the T sound. As in toaster, as in tap, as in traffic lights. As in toaster, as in tap, as in traffic lights. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. So let us revise. So what is the sound of letter T? As in toys, as in treehouse. I love Ted's treehouse. So in our next class, children, we'll learn about letter U. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye. Bye friends.